What's up, y'all? We doing salmon today. Hey, what's up, y'all? Welcome to Stelly Grills and Chills, y'all. Stelly Grills and Chills. And hey, while we here, we gonna rain on them. We gonna cook a lot of great food. So don't forget, give me that LSS, y'all. That like, share, and subscribe. Like, share, and subscribe. But anyway, let's get it. Now earlier before, I rained on them with a little salt on the skin side. Now 30 minutes, we gonna go ahead and start hitting them with the real seasoning, y'all. Hit them with this pepper. Both sides, of course. Of course, we gotta come on and salt that other side. We only salted the skin, y'all. Only salted the skin. Oh yeah, so let's go ahead and hit them with a little bit of oregano. Some dill. Gotta add that dill. And of course, a little bit of basil. That's what it look like when it's all seasoned up, looking good, ready to go in that skillet, y'all. So in our pan, we're gonna go ahead and add a tablespoon of olive oil. And we're gonna go ahead and get our salmon in. Oh yeah, that's looking good, y'all. Looking good. I can't wait. Gotta get that skin real crispy though, y'all. Make sure you get that skin crispy. That make a dish. So, the way I like to do it, I usually do approximately about 4 minutes, and I give it a shake. See if it just broke loose itself. The salmon should always break loose itself when it's ready to be flipped. It's gonna let you know. See how that one just flopping around? He ready. So let's go and flip him. See how crispy that skin is on him? That's what I'm talking about, y'all. That's the salt at work. Now we just waiting on this other one. Yeah, let's go and get this other one a flippy flip. I tried to force him. See, if I wouldn't have forced him, that skin wouldn't have tripped like it did on me. But that's okay. That's okay. I give wifey the perfect one. So let's go ahead and get that first one on out. Oh my goodness, look at that caramelization, y'all. It's looking good. It's looking good. Go ahead and grab that second one. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. And right here at the end, guess what? Gotta hit them with a little lemon, y'all. So we gonna cut this lemon in half. Then we gonna go ahead and rain on them, y'all. Hit them with that lemon juice. Tasty, y'all. Tasty. But anyway, love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See you.